Hello and welcome back to Harry's Jeti lessons. This time I've got a neat little trick for electric retracts. What you can see here is the wing I'm building of a Bolton Paul Defiant, a most interesting interceptor for the Britain's Royal Air Force at the beginning of World War II. It was quite a spectacular failure. Think of a Hurricane with a gun turret behind the pilot. Anyway, if you've seen the sort of aircraft like Spitfires or Hurricanes at air shows or watched them on YouTube or television, you may well have noticed when they take off, put the wheels up, that one leg is virtually all the way up before the next leg actually starts moving. Now, I've seen this on other aircraft like Bearcats and what have you. So here we have our two electric retracts. We've got our Jeti assist receiver, because I fit gyros to anything powered. If you haven't tried a gyro, you really should. They're wonderful. Now the retracts, these are E-flights. They come with a Y lead for you just to plug the two of them into one channel on the radio. But we can have a bit of fun. If you just use the Y lead, this is what will happen. They go together. But why not split them out? Use a channel each instead of the Y lead, and here's the programming. And then we'll have a look at the getting them to delay. Go into model. All you do is go into servo assignment, and as you can see I've done here, I've assigned another channel to the gear. Simple as that. So now we've got two channels operating the gear, 9 and 10. Now I just go to servo setup, come along to, I'll choose servo 10, so gear 1, gear 2, doesn't matter. Come down here, oopsie-daisy, and there's a delay, positive and negative. Very interesting. In other words, we can delay the up or the down. Now the way that these retracts work is when the signal passes the midpoint, it triggers the retract to go. Okie doke. So any delay we put in, half of that delay will kick the retract into action, because at half the delay time, which is one end of travel to the other of a servo, the signal will have reached midway and the retract will sense that and start on its journey. Which one do we change? Well, let's have a look up here. Up at the top, you can see I've got the wheels in the down position, which is minus 100, so wheels up will be plus 100, so I want to delay the up. I'll leave the down going so I can get them down quickly should I need to. So as it says there, positive, negative, positive, negative. So I'll change that to, say, 2.5 seconds. So in half that time, the signal will have passed the midway and that retract will kick off. Let's have a look. There's my two retracts, switch them up. And there we go. But because we didn't set a delay in the other direction, they'll both come down together, which is a bit of a safety feature if you hurriedly need to put them down. Okay. And we can play about with that delay. If we think 2.5 seconds was a bit much, I'm pressing the wrong thing, I need to press the screen, don't I? Bring it down to 2 seconds actually. Try that. Here we go. Yeah, that looked nice. And there we are. Nice and easy.